So I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Nicole. Chef, I understand we're doing a mason jar salad today.
Yeah, so this is a big thing that everybody's doing. It's a big trend. And it's a great grab and go type of salad. So what you do is you layer the mason jar with all of the different layers of your salad, whatever it is you choose to put in there.
Right.
So our first step is our sweet potato. I like to just cut off the ends, but we're gonna get rid of the skin real quick. I wanna chop these small,
All right.
because I want them to cook quickly, and I want them to get kind of crispy in our cast iron skillet. It's gonna roll around, right? So if you take and just cut off one side.
Get yourself a flat base.
Yep, exactly. So we're gonna just slice these guys into sticks. And now we need a nice hot pan to put them into. A little bit of olive oil.
Another thing that's nice about the mason jar is just if we want to talk about environmental wellness.
Oh, absolutely.
Right, you're not using styrofoam or plastic, it's reusable.
Yep, less waste.
Right.
Yep, absolutely. Gonna put these guys into the pan. Want to hear that sizzle.
What's nice too is there really isn't a recipe. You can put whatever it is
Absolutely.
that you like or want into your mason jar. So,
Yep.
you know, if these vegetables and fruits don't appeal to you, you can put whatever it is that you want in there.
I like to do a balance of texture and flavor. So these are getting nice and crispy brown, and that's what we want. We'll turn it down just a little bit, because they do take a few minutes to cook. We'll add a little bit of salt and pepper, but you can add any seasoning you want. These I do like to move around a bit, just because it is, you know, you want to be able to get them cooked on all sides.
Right.
This is pretty close to done. I'm gonna go ahead and have you make the vinaigrette.
Okay.
So let's start with the maple syrup.
All right.
That's good.
Okay.
Go ahead and put a little bit of the Dijon in, a little bit of apple cider vinegar.
So how long is this going to last in my jar for?
It'll last for about a week.
Okay.
So it's not like your store-bought stuff that has preservatives in it. So eventually, after about a week, it's gonna start to go bad.
What are some other dishes that maybe I could make and use this for if I have some left
Oh
over?
yeah, chicken. This would be really good with chicken.
Okay.
Pork.
Like as a marinade?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, you could do it as a marinade. You could also drizzle it over the top.
Okay.
Here you go. And then we're gonna squeeze some lime juice. Pinch of salt and pepper. And then we'll grate that garlic right over the top of that. Give it a little shake. So we've got our dressing done, and then the next step is we're gonna put everything together in our mason jar. Dressing's going on the bottom.
Okay.
Kale. And then we'll do some apples. Trade with ya.
Okay. I mean, obviously, if you're not a fan of kale, you could put any
Yeah, you
kind of
could do
lettuce in
spinach,
there.
you could throw romaine, any lettuce is gonna work in there. Little red pepper.
So mine's done.
That is really pretty.
It really is.
So you've got yours in your to-go container, your dressing,
Yep.
and then I've got my dressing in mine already.
So if you were going to eat that, you turn it upside down
And
let
just
the
kind of,
dressing-
yep, look at that. See how the dressing just
Right.
kind of,
It's perfect. Yep. Grab a fork and you're ready to go.
ta-da, mason jar salad.
Love it.